I'm going to show you how to add students in Duolingo. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open your Duolingo app, type in Duolingo and it's right over here. Just go ahead and tap there. And in order to add students to Duolingo, you need to use the Duolingo for Schools feature where you can create a classroom and then add students by either sharing a class link with them or sending a class code or manually adding their information by entering their name and email addresses if you choose Add Directly option. So let's get to that feature step by step. You just need to look at the lower bar where you can see a 3-dot button at the corner. Tap there and now tap on Profile. Once you're here, you just need to look at the top right corner and tap on the gear icon. Now you can find the option that says Duolingo for Schools right below course. Tap here and now enter the code shared by your teacher. So as you can see, I'm the student here, so I cannot add students. But if you're a teacher, then you can do so by sharing the link. If you're a student by one account and a teacher by a different account, then make sure that you use the other account to add students on Duolingo. This will be really helpful for you. And guys, there you go. That's how you add students on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And we'll see you again in our next video.